Hi everyone, hope you guys are good today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you eggplant sauce with boiled yam and plantain. In my pot, you see I already have peeled yam and plantain. Just going to be adding a little bit of salt and water to cook it. Little bit of water, not too much water, or your yam will come out soggy or matchy. So as that is busy, I'm going to be busy with my vegetable. With eggplant, you can as well peel the skin off if you don't want it so dark. But I'm not peeling the skin off. I just want to show it to you that it's possible. So I'm just going to chop it with the skin. I'm going to use it with the skin. So I'm going to chop all my vegetable just like so. So as that is done, add a little bit of sunflower oil to my pan. Add in my sliced onions. Fry this for some seconds. Just added my tomatoes, the pepper. So eggplant sauce for yam is not difficult at all. And I'm going to add my eggplant to it. And it's so yummy. Now I just added my crayfish, my dried prawns, grilled mackerel. Everything is just going in it. 1 stock cube, salt, little bit of water. Then I just stir it all together and I let it cook till my eggplant is completely dissolved. About 10-15 minutes is ready. So that is my sauce. My sauce is completely ready. And my yam and plantain is also cooked. See, that food is ready. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. This food came out so yummy. And that is it. So now we're going to do some yummy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.